Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubbles using Boomer gum. First, choose one fresh piece of Boomer bubble gum. Unwrap it carefully, making sure not to tear the gum. Then, place the gum into your mouth and chew it until it becomes soft and pliable. This initial preparation is key for a successful bubble, ensuring the gum is smooth and ready for the next steps. Now, let's form the base for your bubble. Use your tongue to flatten the softened gum into a thin, circular shape. Spread it evenly against the roof of your mouth, ensuring there are no thick spots. This creates a consistent, pliable layer of gum, which is absolutely crucial for blowing a stable and impressive bubble. Take your time with this step. With your gum base ready, it's time to blow. Gently push your tongue through the center of the flattened gum, creating a small opening. Now, slowly blow a soft, steady stream of air through this opening. Gradually increase the air pressure as the bubble begins to form and expand. Keep blowing until your bubble reaches your desired size, aiming for a smooth, round shape. Once your magnificent bubble is complete, you can pop it by simply closing your mouth or gently touching it with 2 fingers. After popping, gather the gum back into a ball and you are ready for another attempt. Remember, practice makes perfect. Experiment with different amounts of gum and varying air pressures to master your bubble blowing skills and create even bigger, better bubbles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.